6 vitamins can play a powerful role in improving circulation in your legs and feet, and today we're exploring how simple nutrients may help support better blood flow, comfort, and overall wellness. Welcome to a journey into health where we uncover how everyday vitamins and minerals can make a real difference in how your body feels and functions. Many people experience cold feet, tingling, swelling, or fatigue in their legs, often without realizing that circulation plays a major role. The good news is that improving blood flow doesn't always require expensive treatments or intense workouts. Sometimes, the solution is hidden in the foods we eat every day. Healthy circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body, especially to areas far from the heart like your legs and feet. When circulation is poor, tissues don't get what they need, which can affect energy, mobility, and quality of life. That's where key vitamins and minerals come in. These nutrients help strengthen blood vessels, support red blood cells, reduce inflammation, and encourage smoother blood flow. Vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients for vascular health. It supports collagen production, which keeps blood vessels strong and flexible. Think of collagen as the framework that helps vessels stay elastic, allowing blood to move freely. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, helping protect blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. When oxidative stress is reduced, circulation improves. You'll find vitamin C in citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Just one orange can provide most of your daily needs. Another helpful nutrient is vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Niacin works as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps widen blood vessels so blood can flow more easily, especially to the legs and feet. It also supports healthy cholesterol levels, which further benefits circulation. Beyond that, niacin contributes to brain function and skin health. Foods like chicken, tuna, avocados, peanuts, and whole grains provide natural sources of this circulation-friendly vitamin. Iron plays a critical role in oxygen delivery throughout the body. It's essential for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to every tissue, including your lower extremities. Without enough iron, oxygen transport slows down, which can lead to fatigue and poor circulation. Iron also supports immune function and helps maintain healthy hair, skin, and nails. Red meat, poultry, fish, lentils, beans, and spinach are all good sources. Pairing plant-based iron with vitamin C can improve absorption. Vitamin E is widely known for skin benefits, but it also plays a valuable role in circulation. As an antioxidant, it helps protect blood vessels from damage and reduces inflammation, allowing blood to move more smoothly. Vitamin E also supports immune health and may help maintain eye health. You can find it in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Including these foods regularly can support both circulation and overall vitality. Vitamin B6 is another multitasking nutrient that supports blood flow. It helps the body produce hemoglobin and works with other B vitamins to keep homocysteine levels in check. High homocysteine can damage blood vessels and interfere with circulation, so maintaining balanced levels is important. Vitamin B6 also supports brain health and immune function. Poultry, fish, potatoes, bananas, and other non-citrus fruits are rich sources. Finally, magnesium brings everything together. This essential mineral helps relax blood vessels and surrounding muscles, making it easier for blood to circulate. It also supports healthy blood pressure, energy production, and bone strength. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, so when levels are low, many systems can suffer. Leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are excellent sources of magnesium. Together, these 6 nutrients work in harmony to support healthier circulation in your legs and feet. They help strengthen blood vessels, improve oxygen delivery, reduce inflammation, and encourage smoother blood flow. While supplements can be helpful in some cases, getting these nutrients from whole foods provides added benefits like fiber and additional antioxidants. Remember, balance is key. More isn't always better, and excessive intake of certain vitamins or minerals can cause unwanted side effects. The goal is to enjoy a varied, nutrient-rich diet that naturally supplies what your body needs. Think of this as the beginning of your journey toward better circulation and stronger overall health. Small daily choices, like adding more colorful fruits, leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains to your meals, can add up over time. Your body responds to consistency, not quick fixes. Thank you for joining this nutrient-packed adventure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, natural health tips. Remember, better health starts with small steps, and sometimes those steps begin with a single vitamin. Take care, stay active, and keep moving forward toward a healthier you.